Once upon a time, in a vibrant and diverse neighborhood called Harmony Heights, there lived a group of residents who had a shared dream of transforming their community into a place of beauty and unity. They envisioned a neighborhood adorned with breathtaking public art installations that would inspire and uplift the spirits of all who lived there. Thus, they embarked on a remarkable journey known as the Public Art Project. The project began with a town hall meeting where the community members gathered to discuss their vision. They believed that art had the power to bring people together, foster community pride, and create positive change. Excitement filled the air as neighbors shared their ideas and talents, eager to contribute to the transformation of their beloved neighborhood. A young artist named Maya stepped forward, her eyes shining with enthusiasm. She proposed that each installation should reflect a different aspect of the neighborhood's culture and history. Maya believed that by celebrating their roots, they could build stronger connections and a deeper sense of belonging among the residents. Inspired by Maya's idea, the community formed teams, each dedicated to a specific installation. There was a team for a mural depicting the neighborhood's rich diversity, another for a sculpture symbolizing unity, and yet another for a colorful mosaic showcasing the joys of community life. Days turned into weeks, and the teams poured their hearts and souls into their creations. Families, friends, and neighbors joined forces, working side by side, united by their shared purpose. People who had never spoken before became fast friends, as they laughed, painted, and sculpted together, leaving behind the barriers that once divided them. As the project progressed, the magic of art began to unfold. The mural team transformed a dull, forgotten wall into a vibrant masterpiece, a tapestry of colors representing the countless cultures and traditions that coexisted in Harmony Heights. Passers-by would pause, marveling at the artwork that reflected their own heritage, feeling a deep sense of pride for their community. The sculpture team crafted a magnificent sculpture, intertwining metal and stone to symbolize the strength of togetherness. Its graceful curves and intricate details served as a constant reminder that when people join forces, they can create something truly extraordinary. The mosaic team meticulously arranged thousands of tiny, sparkling tiles to bring their vision to life. The mosaic depicted scenes of shared meals, children playing, and neighbors lending helping hands. It captured the essence of a thriving community, where everyone was welcome and cherished. Finally, the day arrived when the public art installations were unveiled. The entire neighborhood gathered in the central square, buzzing with anticipation. As the curtains fell, gasps of awe and delight filled the air. Tears welled up in the eyes of many as they beheld the fruits of their labor, a testament to the power of unity, creativity, and unwavering determination. From that day forward, the public art installations became cherished landmarks, not only beautifying the neighborhood but also serving as a constant source of inspiration. Visitors flocked from far and wide to witness the transformative power of the community's spirit and creativity. But the true beauty of the public art project lay in the bonds it forged among the residents of Harmony Heights. They discovered that by coming together, embracing their differences, and working towards a common goal, they had not only created stunning artworks but also a stronger, more resilient community. And so, the story of the public art project echoed through generations, reminding people that when a community joins forces to create something extraordinary, the possibilities are limitless, and the rewards are immeasurable.